Let's start with that good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. String from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Inhale, bring the hands together. Exhale, hands down to the chest. So inhale, looking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. And we'll inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale down. And one more inhale and exhale. Bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around, and swapping the arms over. Just a nice smooth motion. Try and relax the breathing. Remember, only going as far as feels comfortable for you. Taking the feet a little bit wider than hip width, and bending the knees, fingertips to the back of the head. I'm just twisting through that thoracic spine, so just around the rib area. Now twist at the waist, so we're keeping the hips still. So elbows are back and relaxed. And now we can bring in the hips and the knees and the ankles. And bring the arms down and just swing from side to side. Now I'm going to balance on the right leg, belly button squeezed in, find that focus point, and I'm going to circle into the left hip. And then the other way. Now I'm going to come straight onto the knee. But if you find it easier to keep swapping from side to side, then you can always go hip, knee, ankle on each side. But if you can, we're going to stay on the one side, and now onto the ankle rotation, and the other way. And so onto the right side. So if you're doing all on this one side, I'm going to start with the hip, and then the other way, and then the knee, and the other way, and the ankle. And the other way. And bring the leg down. Okay, so we're going to start with the high lunge. So left leg forward, right leg back, front knee is bent, back leg straight. Bring the hands to the chest. You can stay in the basic pose, or we're going to have the high twist. So we'll inhale, exhale, twist towards that bent leg. Inhale to the center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. One more. Exhale. Inhale back. Bring the hands back to the chest. Back leg comes forward. And take the left one back. Right knee forward with the knee bent. The hands to the chest. Again, you can either stay there or we're going to add the high twist. Bring the arms shoulder level. So 5 times to the same side. So inhale, exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, back to center, hands to the chest, bring that back leg forward, and we'll finish with a good posture and the breathing. So crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground, one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose. Just try and feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. Try and relax the body, relax the breathing. And we'll bring the arms down and we're all done.